Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So, the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is 1 week away to launching, and now the new camera detail is here about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21, 21 Plus, and 21 Ultra. We have a pretty good read on the S21 camera hardware from the numerous leaks, but even Blast has shared the official infographs which confirm the info so far and present it in a nice succinct way. Note that the infographs are in Italian, but that is not much of an issue. Essentially, Samsung revamped the camera setup of the S20 series. The biggest improvement is the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the bigger version, which is getting a traditional telephoto lens in addition to the periscope module. Unfortunately, the focal length are not listed, but the periscope on should have a 10x magnificent zoom. They also explain it at the darker aperture. The 4x periscope on the S20 Ultra had an f3.5 aperture that was improved to 5x magnificent and f3.0 aperture on the Note 20 Ultra. Anyway, the second telephoto lens will offer a 3x magnificent zoom. Also, not listed in the infograph is the sensor type. The 108 megapixel camera will likely get a new generation sensor, perhaps the HM2, or more likely option according to rumors. The HM3, which is yet to be officially unveiled. The Samsung Galaxy S21 and 21 Plus are the same as the S20 camera in terms of resolution and aperture. The only notable difference is that the deep vision module of the S20 Plus is gone. As with the Ultra, Samsung probably equipped its upcoming flagship with the new sensor and the new image processing tricks enabled by the new latest Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100 chipset. So we still expect to see an improvement in image quality. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S21 series on January 14, and as you can see, this is the Galaxy S20 Ultra product specification images, and these are the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and 21 Ultra and 21 non-pro edition or non-ultra camera images leaked infography with a camera detail. So let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup, because this phone will launch in next week in January 14. Let me know in the comment section. Also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.